I'm going to show you how to customize a button in a WordPress website the easiest way using the built-in button block, no plugins, no code. We're already on the dashboard, so click Pages and then All Pages. The list of pages opens. If your button is in a blog post, go to Posts and then All Posts, but I'm using the home page. Hover over that page title and click Edit. The block editor loads with the page content on the canvas. Scroll down until you see the button, then click directly on the button text. Now check the toolbar at the top of the block. It should say Button, not Buttons. If it says Buttons, you selected the container, and the right-hand panel will show different options. The link settings won't be where I'm about to point. To fix that, click the List View icon in the upper left corner. Find the Buttons block in that list and expand it. Then click the individual button block inside it. Now the right panel is focused on the single button. Start with the text. Click inside the button. Highlight the existing wording. Type Get Started. I'm replacing Learn More. Keep the label short and action-oriented. Get Started tells the visitor exactly what happens next. Select the button again. In the toolbar, click the link icon. A small popover opens. Search for the contact page. Select it from the dropdown. Press Enter to confirm. Test that link after you publish. A broken button is worse than no button. With the button selected, open the Settings panel on the right. Scroll to the Styles or Color section. Click Background. I'm choosing a dark navy from the theme palette. Then click Text. Choose white. That contrast makes the button readable. Using theme preset colors keeps the design consistent. Now scroll down to Border. If your theme gives you a border radius control, increase it to 25 pixels. A higher number gives rounded corners. A lower number gives a rectangle. The fully rounded option gives a pill shape. I'm setting 25. Then set the border style to solid. Set the width to 2 pixels. For the border color, pick a slightly darker navy. A subtle border helps define the button on a light section. Go to Dimensions, open Padding, set top and bottom to 16. Set left and right to 32. Padding adds space inside the button around the text. That makes the button easier to tap. Don't push it too far. Too much padding makes the button bulky and can cause the text to wrap on mobile. Now select the button's container. Click the outermost border around the button. With the container selected, use the alignment controls in the toolbar. Click Center Align. The button moves to the middle of the page. Left alignment works when the button sits inside a paragraph. Centered works well for a hero section. If you want two buttons side by side, keep the button's container selected. Click the plus icon inside it. A second button appears. Type Learn More into that new button. Add its link the same way. I'm making Get Started the solid primary and Learn More an outline secondary. One primary color for the most important action keeps the page from feeling busy. To make that second button outlined, select it. Open the color settings again. Choose the transparent background option if your theme provides it. Add a border. Set the text color to the same navy. If your theme doesn't offer transparent, skip it. Don't add custom CSS for this. The built-in options are enough. Now set a site-wide default. Click the WordPress icon in the top left corner. Go to Appearance and click Editor. The site editor opens. Click Styles in the left panel. Scroll down to Blocks, search for Button. Click it. Depending on the theme, you can set the default background, text, and corner radius here. I'm setting the same navy background and white text as the default. Be careful with this area. It changes every button on the whole site at once. Now go back to the page editor. Click the Preview button in the top toolbar. Open the preview in a new tab. The front end loads. Click the button to test the link. Resize the browser window or use Device Preview to check mobile. Make sure the text doesn't wrap awkwardly. Make sure the button is large enough to tap on a touchscreen. If everything looks good, go back and click Update in the editor. If this is a new page, click Publish instead. One more thing worth doing right now. Open the page in a private browsing window. Check the button there. The normal preview can serve a cache style. A private window shows the clean version. If it looks right there, you're done. If you build more pages later, use Copy Styles instead of redoing the colors. Select the Finished button. Click the three-dot menu on the block toolbar. Choose Copy Styles. Then select the new button and choose Paste Styles. That copies the background, border, corner radius, and padding in one step. If a theme update changes the default button later, don't restyle every button by hand. Go back to Appearance, Editor, Styles, Blocks, Button, and fix it there. That resets every button at once. If this got your button looking right, click like and subscribe so the next tutorial shows up for you, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.